National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, south central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Culpeper, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Catalpa, Elkwood, Cordova, Brandy Station, Ricksville, and Alanthus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 5:30 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 19 nautical miles west of Quantico, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Swan Point, Whitewater, Mathis Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjanoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Popes Creek, Brent Point, Fairview Beach, and Colonial Beach.